Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful craft. First, always choose excellent materials. They are the foundation of any stunning piece. Next, focus on mastering your basic techniques, like precise cutting or smooth gluing, as these skills elevate your work. Remember, the smallest details often make the biggest impact, so take your time. Finally, let your unique style shine through in every creation. Selecting the right materials is crucial for a beautiful outcome. Opt for items like fine art paper, premium fabric, or sturdy wood, ensuring they are free from imperfections. For example, a 100% cotton fabric will drape much better than a synthetic blend. Always prepare your materials by cleaning or pre-treating them, and measure everything with precision, perhaps to within 1 millimeter, for a flawless fit. Mastering techniques is key. Dedicate time to practicing fundamental skills, whether it's achieving a perfectly straight cut or a seamless stitch. Always use the correct tools. For instance, a sharp craft knife versus blunt scissors makes a huge difference. Pay close attention to refining edges and surfaces, perhaps sanding wood to a 200 grit smoothness, and place embellishments strategically for maximum visual impact. Finally, make your craft truly yours by infusing your unique personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with a vibrant color palette or an unexpected pattern. Once complete, consider applying a protective finish, like a clear sealant, to ensure its beauty lasts for many years. Present your finished piece thoughtfully, perhaps in a custom box or on a simple stand, to highlight its artistry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.